Are you missing the charts you used to eat before the lockdown? Then today I'm going to tell you how to make some easy Bhel Puri. So let's begin. We need 150 grams of puffed rice, 1 tomato chopped, a bowl of chopped coriander, 1 onion chopped, carrot grated, and a bowl of Imli or tamarind chutney, a bowl of save, and a bowl of roasted peanuts. We even need a bowl of squeezed lemon juice. First, let's start by adding the wet ingredients: the onion, carrots, the tomatoes, and finally the coriander. Now let's add the dry ingredients, the peanuts and the save. Now we add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder. This is optional. Now add the lemon juice. I am going to use homemade tamarind chutney. If you don't know how to make it, there is a link in the top right corner or in the description box below. Mix it well. Now look, it looks so colorful. Notice all the colors in the chart. So, sprinkle some coriander leaves and some save. Now it's ready to serve. Serve quickly, either it will get soggy with the moisture content. You can even serve it in a paper roll like this. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.